So hopefully you've got your first sprite moving, but not much of a game when the second sprite doesn't move. With Pico 8, there's 6 buttons usually. Up, down, left, right and Z and X. But we can control a second player using E for up, D for down, S and F. Look at E, D, S and F on your keyboard. Can you understand why they may be up, down, left and right? To make sure my code knows that I've got a first player and a second player, I need to tell the code which buttons are for player 1 and which buttons are for player 2. Don't forget, computers start counting from 0. So player 1 is really going to be player 0. So let's take a look. I can tell for button 0, so the first button for player 0. I'm using a comma to tell it and adding the 0 so it knows that these are for player 0, the first player. Let's test if that works. Still controlling my first controller. But now let's add in some more code. If button 0 for the next player is pressed, then I want to change player 2's X plus, minus or equals 1. So it takes off 1 from the current number. See if that's working. So this character still moves around. If I press the S button, this character is now moving as well. Your task today is, can you finish the code to make sure your other character can move? You can use the code above to help you, but instead of using character 0, you want to use character 1.